Oh, he's getting it now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Heavy Metal Customs. This week, just really didn't get a whole lot done. It was one of them weeks. Didn't get to touch the Comet this week, unfortunately. I still haven't got the convertible over and got it washed yet. Trying to find a battery that's going to charge up well enough to start it. Hopefully I get that done today at least, but we'll see. But what I thought, and I had a couple of people ask about this, is just a basic shop tour. Just take a look at the shop, what we got, what kind of equipment we got, you know, give a couple of specs on it, and this, that, and the other thing. So I thought that would make a cool video, and y'all would get a kick out of it. Well, let's just start out front, and then I'll bring y'all back inside and show you what we got going on here. All right, as you can see, we have a basic 3-bay shop. It is 50 foot long and 40 foot deep. And then we have, of course, the office and the gun store over here. A pretty good sized parking area. Get all my projects and junk sitting over there. And some parking down through here, as well as the front lot and the road footage out front. So yeah, we are very fortunate to have a good piece of property that is sitting on. Well, let's go inside and I'll let you look around a little bit. Oh, well, basically walking in the door, give you a general idea of the construction of the shop. Like I say, it's a 40 by 50. I've got everything wrapped in this, this is single layer bubble wrap insulation, and it does very well. With the heater I got in here, it stays really warm. And the thing about it, in the summer, it's not real hot in here, because we do have a back door. We can open it, and we get a good cross breeze. But we have a first bay here, you know, basic shelves. Yeah, this is a working shop, so it's not going to be all clean and pretty like a lot of them others that you see on TV. And, you know, miscellaneous, got my tools, tool boxes, you know, my desk with everything in the world on it. You know, miscellaneous equipment. That's a Monster Portifier down there in that gray box. But just about everything I need to fix something or tear up something with. We've got our bender, old Benpak Blue Bullet. I've had that thing, oh Lord, it's going on 25 years now. It's been a good one. It's been a real good one. Basic, where I can put up materials that I need, this, that, and the other thing. And we have a 4-bay lift here in the first bay. It's just a basic 8,000 pound cable drive. It's not one of the big lifts, it's just a regular, but it will hold, like my green truck, which is a regular cab long bed. And I've had a Suburban on that thing, but it really filled it up. It was a lot to do with it. Then over here we got our cherry picker. Yeah, it's that new air hydraulic pump that I bought for it. My 4-wheeler, which is actually, that's a big red 3-wheeler that we put a Kawasaki Bayou front end on. Yeah, that thing's a beast. And as we walk through, I got my old Hobart welder. I've had that thing for many years, and it still works good, does a great job. And we got the new plasma cutter that we just picked up. Of course, always got the Sawzall on hand. Welding table or junk gather table, whichever one. It's about the same difference either way you slice it. Over here I got all my grinders. This is my main one that I use most of the time. Got a good grinding wheel on it. It's about time for a new wire brush. I got my little belt sander here with the round sander on it. I use that from time to time. Then my smaller grinder, I have a brass wheel on it and then a polishing wheel. I use that for a lot of my gunsmithing and things like that. And then just basic supplies for that stuff. And then in the other bay, we got our big lift. Now this is a 4-post lift, but it is a 12,000 pound extended. I have had a car hauler on this thing. I mean, this thing is a beast, and it is over 25 years old. I got the sliding jack on it. It comes in handy when it wants to work right. But yeah, this lift has been really awesome, especially for as old as it is. This is the old chain type lift, heavy duty. And of course, our little battery charger that we just bought. Trying to get a battery charged up for the old convertible. I keep a couple miscellaneous tools over here in this box. Then we got our press. Yeah, that thing's handy. I forget what size this thing is. Yeah, it's a 20 ton. Yeah, that'll get the job done. Of course, auto parts. There's a lot of stuff from the Mustangs and things like that we're working on current builds. My torch set, don't use it a whole lot. And of course, you always got to have miscellaneous stuff. I got these drawers full of whatnots. And of course, nuts and bolts and things like that. And a cool Mustang. I have all LED lighting in here. It's only strip light I got. But the rest of them are bulbs, and they're all LED. Works out really well. Oh, we got our little English wheel right here. Y'all get a big one sometime, but for now, that little one does a good job for what I do. And then our bead roller. Yeah, that thing is awesome. I have a ball with that. It does a really good job. And then, of course, our shrinker stretcher. Yeah, that thing is cool. And then back here at the back, like I say, we got our double doors. And then we got our heater. It burns waste oil, transmission fluid, hydraulic oil, just about anything that thing will burn it. And it works fantastic. Then of course my area over there, that's where I do all my gunsmithing at. But that is a general idea what the shop looks like and what we got to work with and this and that. And then over here, I built in this third bay for our paint booth, which right now is a mess, but I'll show you anyway. Yeah, I've been storing a bunch of stuff in here. But I basically just got plastic sealed up here, got plenty of lights in here. And I've got, these are our inlets for our air. So it pulls air in here through the top on both sides. I got all of my stuff sitting out here. The regulators here where I can keep an eye on it while I'm painting. And all my supplies and stuff. And then over here on the back wall, you can see them filters. That's what extracts the air. Then we step off in this little back room here. And you can see there's all of our ductwork. Yeah, this is all homemade stuff that I built. And 2 big fans going outside, and that pulls all of our paint fumes and such out. And it's all filtered and all clean by the time it gets outside. Of course, we got our air compressor off in there. And just some miscellaneous tools and stuff like that in this little room. Got our cool little Indy car. That's awesome. And there's your general quick look at what we got going on around here. Equipment we got to use and work with. And, you know, how I got the shop laid out for now. In the future, I mean, there's going to be some changes. Hopefully we'll get more equipment. And I change this around, move this, move that, and what have you. But hey, that's part of the shop life, that's for sure. Well guys, hopefully next week I'll have you a video where I'm actually doing something. Maybe I'll get some work done on the Comet. Hopefully get some work done on the convertible. There's no telling what I want to get into, that's a fact. But I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the quick little tour. If you would, throw me down some comments. If you're able, hit us up on Patreon. And please, like, share, and subscribe. Again, appreciate it. Until the next one, I hope that everyone has a fantastic day.